All right, hi, welcome to Coding with Frankie V. We're going to be doing a lot of vibe coding here. You're going to get my philosophy about my thoughts on vibe coding, my thoughts on coding in general, best practices, and just a lot of philosophy and probably some funny things as well. Hi, I'm Frankie V. Longtime coder, started off in mobile with React Native, moved into React, did some crypto, did some other things like that. But just really like building sites, like building apps, just like building. And I want to do that the easiest way I can. So, the whole purpose of this channel is that I think people are using AI tools wrong or incorrectly or not optimally. And I'm sure that I am as well. So, my goal for this whole series is to come along with me on this journey as I learn, as you learn, and hopefully we'll all learn together and figure out how we can get what's in here into the real world. So I have built a number of sites with the help of AI. I could just do it by hand, but I honestly cannot type that fast. I don't think anybody can at this point. So I don't want the labor pains. I just want the baby, right? If we can get to that point, I think that's where we're headed with AI as far as those things are concerned. I think a lot of people are using it inefficiently, too slowly. But I think what you're going to learn is use what's available, right? If you have cursor and you try it one way and maybe it just gets stuck, maybe it's not framing right, let me go try it in augment. Okay. So that's the goal of this channel. That's the goal of this whole series is to figure out the best ways to get AI to give me the baby, right? Get me what I'm trying to get at and do it in the best way as possible. And then you can go back and you can refactor the code if you want manually. But the goal of this series, or what I'm trying to do here, is the ends justify the means. Okay. So I'll give you a quick backstory. So I started AI coding with ChatGPT, and I would tell it this is kind of what I want to do, and then it would output in 10 minutes one file, and I'm like, okay, cool. So I would copy that, I would paste it. If it was a React project, I would just spin it up manually and then just paste the code in and then have it go, right? It felt incredibly outsourced and very slow and painful. And I did this for a while. And what I have come to figure out is that, oh my God, Cursor is way better because it's an IDE and it can see the entire code base. So Cursor was a huge game changer and really like exponentially allowed me to deliver and iterate much faster than just using ChatGPT. So if you're just using ChatGPT to develop code, here's a game changer for you. Go get Cursor. It's pretty much free. I don't know if you got to pay $20 or whatever, but it's $20 a month. I mean, if what are we doing here? And then I discovered Augment. So stay tuned. We're going to be building a lot of things. Come along on this journey. I'm already down the road a bit, but I'm going to catch you up and show you what I've learned and then what we can learn more together. And then we're going to build a bunch of cool stuff. And I'm probably going to be doing a lot of like Call of Duty gaming in the meantime, because what you'll find is I'll give these AI tools a ton of context and then just set it and forget it. Next thing you know, localhost will be opening up and you're like, oh my God, what's happening? Yeah, it's done. It's mostly done, right? Like, all right. So, welcome, and let's get coding.